How to install the Craftsman clutch number 169676. The clutch on a Sears Craftsman riding mower raises and lowers the mower deck and activates the blade belts to start rotation. Due to rust, erosion or a snag, this clutch cable can sometimes snap and need replacement. Though replacement part 169676 is no longer manufactured, the nearly identical part 175067 can be installed in around 30 minutes. Minimal tools are required for the process to get your mower back up and running. Things you will need: flathead screwdriver, wrench, scissors, replacement clutch. Lift up the front hood of the rider mower. Push it all the way back until it stands open on its own. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the two screws that hold the gas tank in place. Set the screws and washers aside. Lift the gas tank up and set it on the engine of the mower. Keep the tank even and push it against the hood to prevent it from tipping over and spilling. Reach underneath the mower deck and pull out the two pins that keep the clutch in place. The first is located on top of the mower deck and the second is located on the metal frame directly under the seat of the mower. Set the pins aside. Loosen the bolt that holds the clutch spring to the mower deck, using a wrench. Set the bolt aside and lift straight up on the spring. Pull the clutch cable towards the seat and feed it up the mower. Cut off the plastic tie that pins the cable to the side of the mower frame. Take note of the cable tie location for future reference. Access the clutch connection up near the steering wheel. Push the sides of the large plastic knob in and slide it through the metal connection hoop. Pull the cable out completely and discard it. Slide the spring connection over the screw on the mower deck. Aim the spring towards the seat of the mower and tighten the bolt on top. Reinsert the pin to keep it attached. Feed the clutch cable through the metal hole on the mower deck. Pull it as tight as you can and insert the metal pin to secure it. Feed the cable up towards the lever and secure it with the cable tie. Cut off the extra trim of the cable tie and discard it. Pull the cable tightly to get extra slack. Push the plastic tip through the metal connection and then insert the ball bearing tip into the lever connection. Make sure it snaps into place. Push the extra slack back down. Pull the clutch lever up and down on the mower. Make sure the spring properly pulls and that you hear a click when the lever is fully adjusted. Reset the lever and start the mower to make sure it activates the blades.